If you were a snail, what would your snail life be like? You're about to be born. For now, just a tiny cluster of cells inside a transparent egg. This egg is tucked in moist soil under some leaves. Alongside your 99 siblings. It's damp and crowded here. Like the world's worst hostel. No bathroom. No personal space. You hatch. A slimy noodle with a tiny shell. Your body is soft and translucent, glistening in the morning dew. You extend your tiny tentacles, each tipped with a primitive eye. This world is vast and wet, filled with the smell of decay, for a newborn snail like you. It's practically paradise. Your first challenge is to avoid being eaten in the next 5 minutes. Birds love snail eggs, so do ants and beetles. Basically, anything alive is interested in snail eggs. Your only defense is to be as slimy and unappetizing as possible, making most predators ignore you. Sadly, half your siblings aren't as lucky as you. The eggs next to you are gone, leaving only a wet smear. You crawl out of this massacre, completely clueless about what to do next. No map, no plan, not even bones, just a fragile, paper-thin shell. So what do? You start eating your first meal. Likely your own eggshell. Nutritious and convenient. Then you move on to soft algae, fungi, or decaying plants. To you, this world is full of danger at every turn. A dry breeze, deadly sunlight, lethal salt, these can all kill you. You can only crawl slowly across the forest floor at night, clinging to the underside of leaves during the day, playing dead. Even so, you're slowly growing. Just very slowly. Your spiral shell houses all your vital organs. You have one lung, breathing through a hole in your neck. Your body is essentially one giant slime squirting foot. You don't walk. You slowly, slimily glide. Wherever you go, you leave a shiny trail of slime. The top 2 tentacles on your head are eye-bearing tentacles, shrinking back shyly when they touch something. The lower tentacles are for smell and taste detection. Basically, your whole face is designed for poking things. Inside your seemingly gentle, harmless mouth hides a radula, a tongue made of hundreds of tiny teeth. You eat by licking your food. Amazingly, your family evolved a phenomenon called torsion in evolutionary history. Your body is twisted, so your rear end is directly above your face. You also have a brain, a soft bundle of nerves, to coordinate your movements and make you instinctively fear sunlight. Not smart, but good enough. You can remember where food is, navigate mazes, and sense when it's going to rain. Great, you've miraculously become a juvenile snail. You're now bigger and stronger, and less transparent. However, your sleep pattern differs from other animals, lasting 13–15 hours. During this time, you shut down for a series of naps, each nap lasting about 20 minutes. Why? Who knows? Fully recharged, you glide across the ground for the next 30–40 hours, eating whatever you find. In harsh conditions, like extreme heat or dryness, you retreat into your shell, sealing the opening with a mucus layer called an epiphragm. This barrier helps you retain moisture, keeping you alive until conditions improve. One humid night, you meet another snail. There's an instant connection. As hermaphrodites, you both have male and female reproductive organs. After a subtle courtship dance, you circle each other, touch tentacles, and exchange sperm. Days later, you lay your eggs under a protective layer of soil, ensuring your family's legacy. Your life continues simply like this. Until one day, you eat the wrong dung, just one bite of some oddly glowing feces. In your gut, something starts to stir. An ancient, sinister creature, a leucochloridium parasite. This flatworm is a biological parasite. Its larvae wriggle through your body, eventually settling in your eye stalks. Your eye stalks swell, pulsate, and elongate. They're no longer cute little eyes. They're filled with writhing parasites, flashing eerie green-black stripes. The parasites take over your brain and instincts. The instincts that kept you cool and moist and safe from birds are rewritten, reprogrammed. Now you crave light. You crawl toward open spaces, climbing high stems. You're a moving come eat me sign. To passing birds. An irresistible snack. This is exactly what the parasite wants. Leucochloridium can only complete its life cycle in the warm, cozy gut of a bird. The strategy works. Eventually, a sharp-eyed bird spots your wriggling, infested eye stalks. It swoops down with startling precision. You feel a gust of wind, a blur of feathers, then sudden, sharp pain, then darkness. As the bird gobbles you up, it unknowingly swallows dozens, even hundreds of parasite larvae. These larvae travel through the bird's digestive system, settling in its gut, beginning their twisted adult phase. The bird lies on, carefree, defecating, and in that feces, more parasite eggs are spread.